I'm going to do a quick review on Marcum Seasoning mixed envelopes. I've got chicken gravy, turkey gravy, and the taco seasoning mix here to show you. But, this is open because we had tacos last night and used it. Marcum's a Save-A-Lot product. We got a Save-A-Lot pretty close to the house, so we got a lot of groceries and stuff at Save-A-Lot because of that. It's just convenient. You get the groceries and stuff there. But you can also get seasoning mix envelopes for pot roast, other great types of gravy, chili mix, and all kinds of fajitas, all kinds of different things you might like to cook for dinner for you and your family. It's pretty good. Like I said, Save-A-Lot product. They got 100% guarantee on all their products. If you're not happy, they'll give you your money back. Just take your receipt with you. So far I haven't bought anything at Save-A-Lot I haven't been happy with their product, their store brand products. It's pretty easy to fix these. All you gotta do is add a little water and stir it in with whatever you're cooking your tacos, gravy, whatever you want, chicken, whatever you're cooking for dinner that night. They taste good, and we use them all the time here at the house. Everybody likes them. Likes using them with the stuff we cook. So it's a pretty good little product. I think they're, what I pay for this? I think they're 39 or 49 cents a piece. I went to the store deal and got these last couple of weeks. So they're pretty cheap, and they're definitely a lot cheaper price-wise than what you would pay for McCormick or other name brand seasoning mixes. This is the Marcum, different kinds of seasoning mixes. You get it in an envelope. You can buy your Save-A-Lot if you got a Save-A-Lot near your home. Like I said, you can get chicken, turkey, and taco mix here. They've got stuff for other gravies and other different foods, seasoning mixes for other different foods that you can buy also.